Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a Chrysler Group certified 2015 Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo 4-wheel drive. Stock number E1656P. 47,000 miles and there's one owner. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, bright white in color. To be Chrysler Group certified, a vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 3-month, 3,000-mile maximum care coverage. Seats 5 with a cloth interior. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Rear wiper, washer, and defrost for excellent visibility. Lots of cargo space in the rear. Hooks on both sides. Perfect for keeping plastic grocery bags secure. And very clean, as you can see. This Laredo has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Push button start. Gauges. Cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, paddle shifter for the 8-speed automatic transmission, touch screen for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use, dual zone automatic temperature control to make sure everyone's comfortable, and compass display. Hard keys below for the things used most often. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those mobile media devices. That 8-speed automatic transmission. Lots of storage space in the armrest. And a large glove box. Under the hood, this Grand Cherokee is a 3.6-liter V6, 290 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimate, an average of 17 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 24 on the highway. All that with new tires. Don't forget about that Chrysler Group certification, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.